Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to send Bitcoin from Cash App to another wallet. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Cash App application and log into your account if needed. Once you are logged in, all you have to do is type in the amount that you want to send. After that, tap on this pay button. Then on this to section, you can either enter cash tag or the Bitcoin address. Ask for the Bitcoin address of the receiver, then type it in here. You can also enter a note. Just tap on this box, then type in the note. Just like this. Now on the third section, scroll a bit to the right. Then at last you will see this option Bitcoin. Tap on it. Then at last, tap on the next button at the top right corner. Once you do so, you will send Bitcoin from Cash App to another wallet. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos, and I'll catch you on the next one.